Okay, so let me quickly in this video show you how you can enable the shortcut for maximizing any window. So if you, for example, have a window like this, then you can simply press the shortcut and it will maximize the window. In order to do this, first go over and head to your system settings and go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find the keyboard section right here. From there, you're going to want to go to keyboard shortcuts and navigate to Windows right here. The final step is to open General right here, and the Fill is the shortcut that you want to change. You can change a shortcut by double clicking on it and choosing whatever shortcut you want. So I think that the Control Option F is a pretty good shortcut, and it is easily accessible, and it is also available because it's not taken by anything else on macOS. So I think that works really well. So if you do want, you can go ahead and copy that and just go ahead and click on Done, close out of System Preferences, and now you are good to go. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to leave a like.